ngiyathuka ngisabela impilo yami ukuthi anything can happen ngempilo yami. Manje ngiyacela nina abakhabo Jeffrey Chilwane eThembisa eIvory Park Extension 2 nase Ruberish nase Vosmos. Ngiyacela nina Joe Man wena Joseph Chilwane ubhuti kaMufu. Ngiyacela ukuthi ningisize kule nkinga engikuyo. Igama lami sekugama elibi ukuthi mina yimi ongibulela umfowenu. Ngiyacela ukuthi nihambe novula icase against the correctional service la eBenoni. I'm willing ukuma phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ngitshele lonke iqiniso. It's about time le corruption eyenzakala la eSouth African prisons iphele. Ngiyacela impilo yami isengozini. Anything can happen ngami ngoba they will want ukuthi bayivale yonke lento le. Ngicela usizo. Again ngibuyile futhi ngale issue of exposure corruption ezakala la ejele la emajele wala South Africa. Now it's about time we talk about such things. Yes, ngiyazi ukuthi akukho emthethweni lento niyenzayo, kodwa ke for South Africans kubazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kulamajele lawa la South Africa. Ngizokhuluma konke. 2016-23 December eLow Cop Medium A K section kwashona iboshwa ezi2 zibulawa ngomlilo zishele eselini. Isiboshwa salayiti iseli sicabana lamaphoyisa basikhiyele phakathi kweseli. They were about plus 30 labantu bashele eselini and kwashona iboshwa ezi2. Washona umxolisi Mvakali, washona uprofessor wase Old Road Park umfana weKhaladi. Bashona SL14 eK section. Le ndaba le kwaba indaba enkulu. I-head of prison by then umthuthuzele kambi bekuyi-head of security khona lapho ngesikhathi leso ngeminyaka leyo. Wama phambi kwe-national TV akhuluma manga ukuthi iboshwa zamukubaleka bekwamanga. Kunama witness awukuthi they are willing to come and testify kulento le yonke yenzakala. Kwashona iboshwa ezi2 and then zonke iboshwa zasha more than 30 eselini zasha zonke zabuya sesifaka amabhandishe emakhanda nasebusweni. And kushone lezi ezi2 umxolisi Mvakali angisakhumbula waseSoweto kuphi no professor uprof wase Old Road Park umfana weKhaladi. Ngifuna ukunxusha ukuthi nina Mandla Mpenze you were there wena Mandla Mpenze waseSoweto bowulapho nawe you know that. Ngiyanicela velani nonke nina abantu awukuthi nanikhona lapho. I'm willing to testify. See root out this corruption enziwa yilama officials. Kunzima bantu bethu. Yes, siboshiwe senziwa amacala sagwetshwa kodwa asideserve ukuthi sibulawe yilabantu bethu abantu abamnyama. Siyacela usizo lwenu nomphakathi wama South Africans. Wonke umuntu ongakhona ukusiza, including ama-lawyers for human rights, including nina abantu bomthetho, sisizeni si-expose yonke lento eyenzakala la emajele. If anything happens to me, you must know ukuthi there are people out they are willing ukukhuluma iqiniso ngento ezenzakala la ejele under correctional service. This lawlessness and corruption enziwa la correction, futhi not corruption service is wrong. People are dying in here. and then siyavalwa ukuthi singabi nesaying. Mina nguSam Shakwani, I'm willing ukukhuluma lonke iqiniso. Nama-witness wonke akhona azokhuluma ngako konke lokho. Right now ngizoyiposta lento le, lama video lawa ngizowaposta. Sicela usizo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangu babe usejele uthi expose i-Department of Correctional Service nge-corruption labayendako lapha nemajele. So njengoba semvela tikhulumela bantu abaningi they were so concerned ekutheni uyithatha wena ifoni njengoba nawe usejele already uphula mthetho phela ngokuthi ubonakale usejele. It seems like people were not even focusing on what he was saying, but people were concerned ekutheni lo babe uyithatha phi iselfoni ejele. Bathi bantu siyakuva lokukhulumako but wena loku unefoni ejele i-right wena nalendo loyendako kuvumelekile nako ukuthi tiboshwa tibe nema-cellphone ejele. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.